Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. The day has finally come. We're going to be putting the floor in today in the tiny house. Okay, the flooring, this is the first time I'm seeing the full planks. The flooring is acclimating. It has been for at least a full day now. Yeah, I think that's it. This little bit of flooring is going to cover this whole place. What Natalie did was open, I thought there was 5 boxes. Yeah, there's 5 boxes. She opened the boxes and mixed up the boxes into these stacks. Pretty good. I'm not going to be doing any of this. I'm going to go over and cut the shims, and Natalie and her boyfriend are going to be installing this. And she's read all the instructions, so hopefully she won't have any problems with this, but if she does, I've done a few floors with laminate before, but never this solid vinyl stuff. This stuff is really thin. Yeah, I'm glad I sanded this floor because almost anything underneath this is going to show through. Probably should have put a pad on here, but I think it's going to be all right. So I'm going to go cut the shims for this, and at some point, once Natalie gets a couple rows in and knows what she's doing, I'm going to come over here and see how it's going, and then hand off the camera to Natalie, and she'll film the rest. All right, the sun is just about down, and apparently Natalie ran out of flooring. You've probably seen that, but let's take a look. Oh, she doesn't have anything so I can walk in here. Oh man, that's too bad. We're gonna have to buy another box. And I'll have to rip these on the edge there, but I guess it is what it is. But that looks really nice. Okay, well, I think I'm going to end this video right here. Let me try getting in here a little bit on my knees. I don't want to scratch the floor up with the gravel on my boots. We're going to cover this whole thing with paper, and then I'm going to come in here and start doing the trim. Wow, that looks really nice. Okay, well, I guess what we'll do is finish this up, and then I'll finish this video then. Okay, here's what's going on. I had to run to town for another box of the flooring for 3 pieces. There's 8 pieces in the box, and we were 3 pieces short. But Natalie is currently in town getting checked out to see if she has an appendicitis like I had a couple months ago. She's been having abdominal pain for, I don't know, maybe a week or so. And they suspect appendicitis. So she's getting checked out for that. So one way or another, this will be done today. Either I'll do it or Natalie's boyfriend will do it. And then I'll show you the finished floor. And then I'll show you what it looks like when it's covered up. We're going to cover up the entire thing with paper. And then we're going to get on to the molding. The molding will probably take, I don't know, the better part of a week. And once that's done, she'll be able to move into the office. Hopefully, she'll be feeling better then. But after I had my appendix out, I felt better right away. They just had a 20-pound lifting restriction that I kind of followed. Okay, I will be back over here a little bit later today and show you the finished floor. I've showed you, well, I don't know if I showed you at all. This is what it looks like now. And we just got that row to do, and then it'll be done. Okay, Natalie is back from town. She had a bad bladder infection that spread to both kidneys, so she's on antibiotics. But like I said, her boyfriend came and put these last pieces in. Yeah, it is looking really nice. I'm not gonna wait and show the taped up floor. We'll see that when I start doing the molding, and I will probably start doing the molding in a day or two. So next video out here will be the full-size Craftsman molding, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to be caulking and putting the covers on all of the boxes, and that will be it out here. Once that video is done, I'll show the place with Natalie's setup, at least part of it, and then we'll be back to do the built-in stuff over here, but that's going to be a while. So if you want to see all that, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them in the comment section below. And if you share the video and or give it a like, it helps the channel out greatly. Thanks for watching and have a great day.